In this tutorial, we will be creating a Cobra stitch side ponytail. It looks very intricate, but it's actually quite simple to create. You can start with straight or texturized hair. Lift small sections at a time and lightly backcomb your hair from underneath. This step is optional, but I find that teasing your hair helps add a bit of glamour to an otherwise casual look. Next, pull all of your hair to the left. Grab a small section of hair from underneath, leave it out, and tie the upper section into a side ponytail. We will be using the strands from underneath to create a cobra stitch around the ponytail. If you've ever worked with Bondugal as a child, then you are probably already familiar with the cobra stitch, but I will quickly just show you the technique using a few pieces of gimp. Let the black section represent the ponytail, and let the pink and blue sections represent the hair from underneath pulled to the two sides. To make a stitch, simply take the blue and cross it over the black to form a figure 4. Then lift the pink over the blue, tuck it under the black, and pull the ends through the loop left from the blue figure 4. Pull the ends tight to finish the first stitch. Now take the blue from the right and fold it over the black again to form a backwards figure 4. Again, lift the pink over the blue, under the black, and pull it through the loop left by the blue figure 4. Pull tight to finish a second stitch. Here, I am demonstrating the stitch a few more times. If you need to, please do practice with a few pieces of gimp or ribbon to make sure you're comfortable with this stitch before moving on. When working with your hair, you need to apply some sort of paste or wax through the sections underneath so the stitch looks smooth and clean. Grab the left section and pull it over the middle to form a tight figure 4. Lift the right section over the left and under the middle ponytail. Loosen the first figure 4 slightly and pull the ends of the right section through this loop. Tighten the stitch and repeat. These are exactly the same steps as demonstrated earlier with the gimp. However, when working with your hair, you want to only loosen as much as necessary to avoid any major flyaways or layers poking out. You can repeat the stitch until you're happy with the length or for as long as your hair will allow. Pull both ends under the ponytail again and tie them together to secure the entire look. You may notice that the ends poke out slightly towards your neck. Just rotate the ends inwards on itself and that should fix the problem. This is the final look. It's casual enough to be worn to the beach, but you can totally wear it for a red carpet event. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below or tweet me, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.